Video cameras are an amazing invention. Families can really be stupid when they have a video camera. Normal families don't do stupid things. But the second you bring a video camera into your home, your children become idiots. Isn't that right, Jeremy?
Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. If you have been to my channel before, you know that I sometimes like to reference things from the past to help remind us of wisdom that we knew and utilized previously, but yet we have somehow forgotten today. So, in the preceding clip, we see a father playfully illustrating the fact that his children's behavior noticeably changes once a video camera is introduced into the environment. We see the little boy asking his father to zoom in on him as he throws things up in the air seeking attention. And then once that ends, you may notice the child begins looking around his home for something else to grab and play for the camera, as the saying goes. Now, while the father's commentary here is intended to be on the lighter side, he certainly offers a profound and revealing message. In the past, we recognized the impact of recording one's behavior for all to see. This video clip demonstrates for us how this dynamic can produce inauthentic behavior. In other words, it brings one's ego to the forefront. So the danger here is that playing to the camera can cause us to lose our sense of self. And if this behavior is perpetuated over time, it can set us on a path in which we begin to require external approval from others rather than to follow our own internal compass and to live life as who we authentically are. So, on a much larger scale, this is what we see in our world today. With the proliferation of social media sites, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and so forth, our society is in this constant mode of showing off and trying to impress everyone who's watching. So, to sort of summarize and wrap things up, I offer this observation not in judgment of others, but in the hopes that by pointing at this, we can mutually begin a new discussion here, which can benefit us all. Please leave your comments below.